What's up guys, PyPop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Auto Imbue Item Module mod that I just created, which will allow you to automatically and infinitely imbue any weapon that has the module attached to it. So let's get started. First off, you want to download the mod and then put it in your mods folder. After downloading it, all you need to do is find whatever weapon you want. You go into the Auto Imbue module folder, you copy this module right here, you go into, let's say, the common dagger, you scroll down and you paste it under modules. So now once it's saved, if you go in game and you press the Alt or spell button, you will automatically and infinitely imbue your weapon with fire. That said, if we change it to lightning, it will imbue it with lightning. Gravity, it will imbue it with gravity. Ice will imbue it with the ice mod if you have Davy's ice mod. Or let's say ash will imbue it with my atomic disintegration mod. But that's really it, guys. All you need to do is copy the module and paste it under modules for whatever weapon you want. If you don't want to go into the folder to copy it from the text file right there, what you can do is just scroll down and copy it right here on the mod page itself. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton and I greatly appreciate it. There is a link to my Discord server in the description where you can learn how to mod. If you have any problems, you can ask there, or you can just hang out with the community in general. It's a whole lot of fun. If you'd like to support the channel and myself, there's also a link in the description to my Patreon account. With that, thank you for watching.